afternoon from Nanaimo. It is raining pretty hard here today. We are actually leaving to get away from the rain if we can and head out to the town of Lake Cowichan. There's supposed to be some sun over there. We're actually going to Robertson River Falls today, one of my favorite places on the island. It's looking like some pretty good swimming weather, isn't it? There's the Spice Hut! That place has the best Indian food on Vancouver Island. Kelsey has an urge to pick the lupins. Her favorite flower. Lupin addiction. So I remember the first time I actually tried Ed's Coffee House was when I took Kelsey to Robertson River for the first time, and I got a latte. It was so amazing. Ed is just such a cool guy. We ended up having this conversation about lo-fi music, and I absolutely love chill hop and lo-fi. The whole genre is just amazing to me. So Ed, having been playing it at the time, and I struck up a conversation, and I thought the conversation was kind of cool because he let me know about these studies that were done that say that apparently lo-fi music makes your coffee taste better.
They're homemade cookies.
Homemade cookies too, wow. Such a cool little coffee house. I love coming to this place. Good coffee, Ed's such a good guy. And it just feels so homey and personal in here. Okay, see ya, Ed. Thank you so much for the amazing coffee.
See you later, have a great day.
So we have just gotten on the trail to Robertson River Falls, and Kelsey is jumping around like a monkey. This place is pretty incredible. I love the trail, I love the waterfall. So Robertson River was actually named after a guy named William Alexander Robertson, who apparently exploited a silver mine on the Coxila River and exploited it very unsuccessfully. With that being said, maybe one day we'll have Frank from Exploring Abandoned Mines come to the island and find this now abandoned silver mine. Look at this little river clearing. You can test to see how cold the water is. We are finally just approaching the falls. That is a cliff right there.
Looks like a hot tub right there.
Robertson River Falls, and look at how green that water is. Oh my goodness. You don't like it? It's too high? Mm-hmm. Too sketchy?
Yeah.
Definitely have to watch your footing down here for sure. Quite the fallen trees on this trail. Definitely would not want to be here in a windstorm. It's definitely a little cold down here. It's definitely not 30 degrees yet, that's for sure.
He's a health nut.
A health nut.
We're brand ambassadors for
Amari almond.
Nature Source. Simply tasteful.
Good.
Give us free almonds, please.
It's pretty slippery. I don't know if I want to go across. So we're just heading back up the trail here. Looks like some rain clouds are rolling in here, so we're hoping to get out before we get wet. I once had a friend, actually 2 friends, who beelined up the mountain through there to get back on the trail. I followed them up and it wasn't so much fun. You definitely get a little bit out of breath going back up this. So we just finished up at the falls there. Feels like it's starting to rain, so we got out just in time. Getting pretty hungry here, so we're definitely gonna go get a bite to eat now. Hey look, Kelsey, it's your buddy.
No. They're poisonous. They're not your friend.
They're okay. That one's like half the size of my shoe. You like frogs? And you like slugs?
No.
Why not slugs? Hello, Mr. Slug. Hello, Mr. Fat Daddy Slug. He is a Fat Daddy Slug. Oh, look at that. Nasty. Slug life represent. It's a climbing slug. Look at it. A slug that climbs. It's your favorite, Kelsey. Holy, look at the ears on that guy. That's massive. It's like almost the size of my hand. Look at that. Watch as the beautiful female goes down to the river to have a drink. Well guys, we did not find the silver mine. Robertson left us hanging, but hey, we saw the waterfall that he invented. I'm so hungry to eat a slug. Should we eat some slugs?
No.
No slugs. Guess where we're going? The Spice Hut, duh. So we have just got here to the Spice Hut, which is my absolute favorite East Indian place on the island. Highly suggest you try this place. The food is absolutely incredible. Definitely get some garlic naan. They have great meat dishes, great vegetarian dishes. It's definitely worth a try if you're coming through Ladysmith. Oh man, so good. Garlic naan, chicken korma, and butter chicken. You excited? Alright, first bite. Oh my goodness. It's so good. I love making chicken korma sandwiches.
Carbs.
Well, I think I have induced a korma coma. Oh my goodness, that was so good. So stoked we came here. Gonna head back to Nanaimo and finally get some rest. We'll see you guys all for more waterfalls on the next one.